weeks ago you were here to play Kumasi Asante Kotoko. You lost here. How does it feel, claiming your first trophy as the head of a coach?
Oh, I'm proud because of the fans of this big family, who is also a family. I'm proud because the last season, all these people suffer, and after, I think this trophy is just the beginning of the league, and maybe you can see new look as a folk in the league soon.
But coach, how difficult was it? You look at the first 11 and just about 2 or 3 players were with the club last season. How difficult was it getting these new players play the way you wanted them to play?
No, we're starting the training just Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we play against the team. And we do some things on Thursday, Friday. Yesterday, just a penalty. These boys have already the talent. Now we want to perform. Give them some work at the physical side and the psychological side to get the team. It's not easy, but the talent is there. It's like diamond. When we take the diamond, you polish him before you sell it. We have a time to prepare just in a few days, less than one month. It's better than this one. I don't have any pressure for that. I know we can do. These boys can deliver. But when you see the first 11, this is my style for playing. But we get the difficult because of physical training. Some of them are just that captain, what do you call, Osesibe, he's just coming from malaria. He started Tuesday, like Fripon, they said 3 weeks the malaria. We have all these problems. That way in the beginning of the match, 45 minutes, we make some mistakes. We have moral, psychology problem because family problem. All these things, I think, we put together to play the team. But slowly, I think.
Coach, finally, we didn't see the likes of Michael Ampedu, Dennis Nkrumah, quite a number of these players. Should Hearts of Oak fans expect more signings and some players going out?
For me, the new area, Hearts of Oak is not the names. Hearts of Oak is the team. We are working on the team. We have the hard work. We are going to continue for the hard work, and after we can say the names for me, it's not important.
Right.
It's the strategy we are putting there. Everybody can come and play. Ampedu is injured. Costa is not there more, but we're trying to bring in new teams.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Coach Ouattara, congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Enjoy your night.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Any didn't say?
Because my motive is that my bar and my baby baby. Na nyamiada my first cup. Nyamiaya my do my mama timiajino. Meniaji baby. Me who dear menka. Meniaji.
Now, but so far, club no send Omajo. Send a who feel what club ni mo.
Oh, me buy there. Obie ni agi ana me so mani agi cause they almost receive me no mama kwon dokra say me bo club no se dey penifo no ne ye se dey coaches ne ye mani agi players ni mpo old players no se dey omo ne new players ni mani agi pa.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello. All right, so we are here with the administrator of the club, Heart of Lions. Commiserations, sir.
Thank you very much.
What do you have to say about the game from an administrative perspective?
Oh, it was a fair game. It was a wonderful game. I mean, the first half, we managed the game very well. I think the second part, later parts of the second half, we left the game for them. So we are going to correct all these mistakes I think this match is a good match for us to learn. We've learned a lot from this match. So going to the next game or going to the beginning of the Premier League, we are going to make things better.
What are the positives you picked up from this game?
It's a wonderful game. We've also learned that we have to strengthen some parts of our team. So we also go back to the drawing board and make things right for our next match or for the beginning of the season.
And with the two new signings, Obing Jr. and the experienced Abednego Tete, you think these are the guys to help Heart of Lions get to where they have to be?
Yeah, they came to beef up the squad, and they look positive. So they are now gelling into the team. As time goes on, they are going to adapt to certain things, and then they are going to become better players. So we hope for the best into the season.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
It's going to be a long ride home, I guess.
Yeah, it's going to be a long season.